So I've got a problem here in the grinder of the Sunbeam Barista Plus, and the grinder spins so I can hear the motor, but the burr is not revolving. So what I did is I took it apart and I found the burr is in a good condition, but the only problem, and here I was expecting to find some weirage here, but I couldn't find any weirage in the gearbox. So it seems like it's operating, but the way it operates is that from here, this is where the motor, this is the motor gear, and this is the middle reduction gear, and this gear is the burr gear. And how it connects with the burr, this is the burr casing. Underneath it here there is kind of like a T-joint, I'm not sure what we call it, and this actually, this T, the axle here stands in the middle to act like a pivot for it, and this holds on the engage with the this part engaged with the gear. But the problem is, I think this revolves and this never engaged. So when I inspected this burr, you can see it is not easy to revolve. So it's very, very heavy. So I assumed that there was a some sort of an accident, and this part shifted upwards, and that's what is causing this stuff.